So hello and welcome back. Our final step in assembling the upper chassis is to attach the breadboard. So you'll see the breadboard words are right here. And the breadboard may come like this, but note that it won't fit like that because it'll cover up the mounting holes for the sensors and the peripherals. So you want to disconnect those two and connect them long ways like this instead. And there is a little tab in here so that you can line them up like that. And so you then want to attach the breadboard in the way so that it's flush against your microcontroller. So make sure the tab side is going out. And then you're going to put it here. Make sure you don't cover up the holes where the standoffs are going to go. And then once you have it placed the way you like it, so that it's kind of flush like that, you're then going to remove the sticky tape on the bottom and stick it down. Once you stick it down, it's really hard to get up though. So make sure you're clear on where you want to put it before you attach it. So then once I'm happy with where I think I'm going to put it, I'm going to remove the tape. And come back down here. I'm going to cover up the words breadboard. Try not to cover up the words Lilybot, and also try not to cover any of the holes, leaving sufficient space here to mount things. Notice that the sensor here would be mounted on the bottom, and then you squeeze it down. Okay. And now once I've done that, my upper chassis is completely created, and I now need to go to my final step, which is to connect the upper and lower chassis.